Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can get picture-in-picture in YouTube application. We need an app to play video in picture-in-picture mode. The name of the app is X app. We will get the apps in the App Store. First, go to the App Store. Click on the search bar and type X app. Now install the app. After installing the app, we need to go to the YouTube app. Then play the video you want to play in picture-in-picture mode. Then click on share icon. Swipe right and click on more. Scroll down. Here below we can see two options, X video full screen and X video picture in picture. From here we have to click on X video full screen. Then click picture in picture. Now our video is in picture mode. You can now customize if you want. You can now use any other apps while in picture mode. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.